the Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. This unity is beyond the objects of our thought and practice. Unity and plurality are totally non-existent. It is through the solitariness of the wisdom of awareness that there is clarity, in dharmas that have neither border nor center. We dwell on the significance of unified wisdom. The ocean of wisdom has no shore. This is clear to others more than to ourselves, but everything is clear. The circle of totally clear awareness has no circumference. The wheels of the highest all-good are not counted as being one or two. The wisdom that has remained since the primordial is just the same. No matter how we might divide up the river of oceanic teachings gathered into words, there is no more than one. We are free from samaya because the circle is one, and we declare it to individuals to be so. The transmission of self-awareness maintains methods for discipline. It turns the wheel of supreme awareness. Listen to the meaning of unspeakable self-liberation. Use the significance of being undisturbed to understand. The mind itself is a basis that maintains 9 realities. We take the transmission of the light of blazing jewels into our experience, happily, without a search. We receive the samaya of solitary self-luminosity. A treasure of abundant fruitions is perfected in self-originating and spontaneously formed samaya. Unsought, spontaneously formed primordial Buddhahood is like a ground made of precious jewels. Samsara is clearly the heart essence of wisdom. Like the crown jewel of chakra, it is not to be acquired. It has been spontaneously perfected since the primordial. Like the light from the heart of the sun, it shines out in a single moment without gradations. An awareness of definitions never appears in the mirror of the teachings on spontaneous perfection. By means of the wisdom that has no position or preference, we gain the true wisdom of spontaneously formed self-luminescence. In wisdom that appears everywhere and is spontaneously formed, where would there be anything to renounce? If omniscient awareness did not shine out through spontaneously formed self-luminous wisdom, what would be the difference between the Buddha and sentient beings? There is no difference. What use is there in study, contemplation, and understanding? We don't see any at all. What is there to say?